What you will receive except your ice maker. Except your ice maker, you will also receive one handle for the ice maker, one ice scoop, and one ice basket. Please note, for the stainless models, there would be a protective film. You can remove it after you receive your ice maker. How to install the ice maker handle? First, please attach one side of the handle to your ice maker, then install the other side in place. How to use your ice maker? First, please open the top cover and take out the ice basket. Then pour potable water into the water tank until the water level reaches the max mark. After powering on the product, the power indicator will be red. Press the on/off button for once. The power indicator will turn white and start to make ice.